one step past the line. One moment of disrespect for the law. And what comes next is the ego collapsing, and you're about to see what happens when challenging police meets high-speed karma.
Funny enough, the NYPD doesn't have one. Silly monster.
He crept up from behind, convinced a cop was easy prey, arrogant, calculated, drunk on fake confidence.
4 boy shots fired. 4 boy shots fired. 10-13 shots fired. Drop tonight!
But he forgot one thing backup was watching. Within seconds, the hunter froze. Play stupid games with justice, and the ending is already spoiled.
No, it's like a SWAT.
Huh?
Like a SWAT.
Oh. I thought you said you're SWAT.
Funny enough, the NYPD doesn't have a SWAT. Silly monster.
A drunk Russian tourist flipped into hero mode, thinking Thai police were easy NPCs. But real life doesn't follow movie logic. Seconds later, the confrontation ended abruptly as reality set in. Online tough guys usually leave the chat when reality hits. Fueled by rage, he charged like a heavyweight, swinging over a parking ticket. But the scene got hijacked. A random guy hugged him from behind, koala style, dragging him away. No superhero arc, just karma, wrapping up an overinflated ego. He charged in, Street Fighter confidence on max, thinking one swing would end it. But the officer barely turned. 3 seconds later, ego met pavement. Not a hero moment, just express delivery karma. A Japanese guy grabbed a metal pipe, thinking he could solo the whole squad like a modern samurai. But real life isn't a game. Cops moved in like dominoes, from final boss to teamwork lesson karma, clean and instant. Shirtless and raging, he charged the cops like a street hero. But the counter came instantly. Batons, control momentum collapsed. No superhero ending, just street-level karma. Touch the fire, get burned, lesson delivered on the spot. A delusional teen made a fake emergency call, then rushed an officer like it was an action movie.
Stay down! You stuck?
But there's no stunt double in real life. Seconds later, he's face down. From badass to reality check fake call, real consequences.
You alright?
A reckless man charged a female officer with a knife, convinced he was untouchable.
Shots fired, shots fired. Don't move! Don't fucking move! Don't fucking move! Put the knife down! Put the knife.
But backup didn't hesitate. The officer acted decisively to neutralize the threat. Bringing a weapon into a legal stop leads to a grave outcome. Bring a blade to law and order. American karma handles it clean.
Warrant. For what?
We don't know yet, right?
Nope.
Hey,
A reckless driver reversed, then charged like his car was a street tank. But real life isn't a movie. 3 officers reacted at once, turning the rush into a hard stop. No Hollywood escape, just drive-through karma, served instantly.
Will be arrested and taken to jail.
At 22, he played tough guy in front of his parents, charging an officer with full confidence. Before the act even landed, his arm was locked tight. Stop resisting. No proud family moment, just handcuff karma, delivered live and unfiltered. Fueled by rage, she thought slapping a cop would make a statement, hands swinging with pure attitude. Less than a second later, the officer turned, and the aggressor was promptly restrained. Actions against the law lead to an immediate change in plans. Express karma, no shipping fee. Liquor turned the wedding into a party squad, swinging and shoving cops for fun.
Oh my god! Yo, Coobs! Coobs, get over here, bro! Oh my god. Koobie, get back! Koobie, get back! Koobie.
You saw that! He touched my wife! He had it on video!
Oh my god!
Moments later, an officer went down. The radio screamed. Sirens flooded in. No happily ever after. Justin arrested at the Altar album. Honeymoon relocated.
Dude, her head just hit the pavement. Her head just hit the pavement, bro.
Fueled by rage, he tried to break free like a wrestling pro, refusing an easy arrest. One beat later, officers used necessary measures to ensure compliance. Resistance only complicates the situation. Freedom gone. Shock therapy karma, stay down and rethink your choices.
¡Ay, mira! ¡Se lo recomió el pie!
A furious father charged in like a family superhero, convinced fists would free his kid. Seconds later, the situation flipped, both pinned to the pavement. No freedom gained, just an unexpected family trip to the station. Parent-style karma, bonding included.
I'm over here. I know I've had enough. Bro.
Stop touching me.
Now you're going to jail.
I'm not.
There you are. Hold on. You fight me.
I didn't. You pushed me into the arm.
Here you go.
I'm finna go get my ID.
I'm going to take you.
I was. I didn't have you.
Relax. Hold the air.
Okay.
Hold the air. Ray. Hold it.
Karen marched in, overconfident, believing arguing was an instant immunity shield. I did nothing. Moments later, the officer calmly walked her to the cruiser. No debate victory, just a free VIP ride. Karen-style karma. Words unfinished, bars already booked.
Can I just want a subject?
I didn't do
Christ.
nothing. I was gonna get the ID.